Yeah. Good day, everyone. Today I'll be walking you through on how you can convert your book or manuscript in Word format into ePub format or ePub file. If you are here to subscribe on my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification button. How do we convert from Word format to ePub format? The reason why we'll be converting this is just that when publishing or you're uploading some of your books into some online platform, there may be need to convert your book into some format required by them. Like for example, when you publish on Ingram Spark, your ebook will be on ePub format. Now, the first thing to do when converting to ePub using Kindle Create is just to download Kindle Create. Go to your browser, type in download Kindle Create, then enter. You have this, then click on getting started with Kindle. You will have your use Kindle Create on PC or format, download Kindle Create, then you click on download. If you're on Mac OS, you can download for Mac OS. For Windows user, you can download for Windows. Yeah, I'm a Windows user. Let me click on download. Having done with the download, go to your download file. This is the download. This is Kindle Create. Then you can install on your system. You have your Kindle Create on your desktop. Now you can click on it. Some of us, we may have this software on our desktop. All you just have to do, you don't need to download. Just click on Kindle Create. Having this interface, all you just have to do is to next. Then you have enable early access, or you can skip. Now you have your Kindle Create platform. All you just have to do is just to click on create new. Then you choose your file. Now on this interface, you have reflowable, comics, and print replica. When it comes to comic, you may not be able to convert comic into ePub, but Kindle Create is created for those people that publish on Amazon. We leverage on the ePub section whereby you can convert your book to ePub. Basically, it is used to convert books or Word format into KPF. Now, reflowable format allows you to create file for Kindle, print, and ePub. That is what it does. But for comic section, format allows reader to zoom from panel to panel. Click on reflowable, then come to continue. Now you can click on this to choose your doc file. Now I'll go to my documents, and this is effortlessly. This is the book I want to convert to ePub. Now click on this and click on open. After importations and conversion, you will have import successfully. Then click on continue and get started. Kindle Create already have your files uploaded on it. All you can do, this next phase involve formatting and editing, because you can use Kindle Create to format your file. You can either reject all these things that was given to you or accept it. For most of the time, I can accept and still do some formatting. Look at it. You have all your chapters at this side. You can use all this to readjust the subheading, navigate to the next interface, rephrase the chapters. You can do some subheadings, but because this is not for this video, I'm not here to use Kindle Create to do some formatting for you. I'm just here to use it to convert books into ePub. Now, in my next video, I'll be doing that. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channels if you want to follow this progressively. Now, after formatting, you come to save file. Now go to your document and save the file. Effortlessly save the file. Then having saved the file, you can export the file. Here, to export this file, recommended if you are publishing on Amazon, it will require you download or export this file as a KPF file, Kindle print format. Now, but because we needed ePub file, you can either unclick this and choose your ePub file just for you to download the ePub format. But most of the time, I download the two because I publish on both Ingrams and Amazon KDP. Now you can just use whichever format you have. This is how you can convert from Word format to ePub format. Then let me untick this, because all we need is just ePub. Then you click on export the file. It will require you save the file in a particular location. Just click on your document and give a file name. This is alpha fits. Now export the file. This file has been exported successfully. Show file. Then you have the ePub document. This is it. Go to your document. This is it. ePub document, ePub, and you have alpha fit in ePub documents. Now with this, you can upload this format as required in different platforms. It works for different platforms. I've been able to use some online converter which doesn't work on Ingram Spark, but with Kindle Create you can convert successfully and you can use this format on different platforms. Thank you for watching my video. I want you to subscribe on my YouTube channels for progressive teachings and tutorial next time, and click on the notification bar just to receive more notifications on my subsequent video. Thank you very much.